My name is Nina London. I am a Qigong teacher and the creator of Radiant Flower Qigong for women. At 60 years old, I feel more radiant, passionate, and alive than I did in my 30s. 9 years ago, after surviving cancer, I was devastated. I moved to Thailand and Bali. I studied with world-famous masters of Qigong and Taoist feminine practices. Step by step, my energy returned, my sensuality awakened, my body softened, my spirit soared, and deep in my heart I knew I had to share this. Radiant Flower Qigong, it's a gentle, joyful fusion of ancient Qigong, female practices, dance, and modern embodiment. It's designed specifically for women's bodies, emotions, and energy. In this course, you will reconnect with your body, awaken your life force Qi energy, ignite your sensuality and sexual energy, release stress and emotional weight, create daily rituals of self-love.
I believe that every woman like a special and gorgeous flower, and I want you to feel this energy rising and start blossoming.
Join Radiant Flower today and begin your journey back to radiance, because your light was never lost. It's simply waiting to shine again.